Hey everyone, welcome back to MediHeado, your go-to place for breaking down complex health topics in simple and engaging ways. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a video. Today, we're diving into Myasthenia gravis, or MG. It's a chronic autoimmune disease that causes weakness in the skeletal muscles, the ones responsible for voluntary movement. So, what exactly happens in MG? Imagine your body's communication system. At the neuromuscular junction, nerves send signals to muscles, telling them to move. But in MG, this communication breaks down. The immune system produces antibodies that attack the acetylcholine receptors on the muscle, blocking these signals. As a result, muscles become weak and fatigued. So, what causes MG? The exact cause isn't fully understood, but we know it's an autoimmune disease where the body mistakenly attacks its own tissues. This attack targets acetylcholine receptors, preventing proper muscle contraction and weakening the muscle response over time. MG is often linked to other autoimmune diseases and abnormalities in the thymus gland. Now let's talk symptoms. The primary symptom is muscle weakness that gets worse with activity and improves with rest. Early signs include drooping eyelids, double vision, and difficulty swallowing. Over time, other muscles, including those controlling breathing, chewing, and speaking, may be affected. Ever wondered about the myelin sheath's role? The myelin sheath covers nerve fibers and helps electrical impulses travel quickly. In MG, chronic immune attacks can inflame the nerve, potentially damaging the myelin sheath and worsening symptoms. Is myasthenia gravis preventable? Unfortunately, no. But managing lifestyle choices and monitoring health can help. Avoiding triggers like extreme heat or stress can keep symptoms under control. Regular checkups are also crucial. While there's no cure for MG, it can be managed. Treatments aim to improve nerve signal transmission and reduce immune attacks. Medications like anticholinesterase drugs boost muscle strength. For severe cases, treatments like plasmapheresis or IVIG therapy might be used. Surgery to remove the thymus gland can also improve symptoms. Living with MG can be challenging, but many lead active, fulfilling lives with the right treatments and lifestyle modifications. Managing stress, staying active within limits, and regular doctor visits are key. That's a wrap on Myasthenia gravis. If this video helped you understand MG better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health content. Got questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching MediHeado, and see you in the next video.